Onions. Fun facts about onions. Onions, a staple in many cuisines worldwide, are not only delicious but also packed with interesting facts. Here are a few. Ancient roots. Onions have been cultivated for thousands of years and were even used as currency in ancient Egypt. Tears of joy. The sulfur compounds in onions are responsible for the tears that flow when you cut them. These compounds are also believed to have health benefits. Layers of flavor. The number of layers in an onion can vary, but it's often said that the more layers, the stronger the flavor. Colorful variety. While white onions are the most common, onions come in a variety of colors, including yellow, red, and green. Each color has its own unique flavor profile. Health benefits. Onions are rich in antioxidants and have been linked to various health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer. Cultural significance. Onions hold cultural significance in many societies. For example, in India, onions are considered auspicious and are often used in religious ceremonies. Stinky but tasty. While onions can have a strong odor, they add depth and complexity to a wide range of dishes. Benefits of onions. Onions are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that offer various health benefits. Here are a few. 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants. Onions are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and quercetin, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Disease prevention. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and stroke. 2. Heart health. Cholesterol reduction. Onions may help lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Blood pressure control. Some studies suggest that onions can help regulate blood pressure. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation reduction. Onions contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic disease management. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health problems, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. 4. Digestive health. Prebiotic effects. Onions contain prebiotics, which can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Improve digestion. A healthy gut microbiome can improve digestion and overall gut health. 5. Antimicrobial effects. Antibacterial properties. Onions have been shown to have antibacterial properties, which can help fight infections. Onion-infused meals, a global flavor. Onions are a versatile ingredient that can add depth and flavor to a wide range of dishes. Here are some popular onion-based meals from around the world. North American classics. French onion soup. A hearty soup featuring caramelized onions, cheese, and bread. Onion rings. Deep-fried onion slices, often served as a side dish or appetizer. Hamburger helper. A classic American dish that often includes onions as a key ingredient. European delights. Onion tart. A savory tart filled with caramelized onions and cheese. Ratatouille. A French stew featuring a variety of vegetables, including onions. Spanish tortilla. A potato and onion omelet that's a popular Spanish dish. Asian inspiration. Stir-fried vegetables. Onions are a common ingredient in stir-fried dishes, adding flavor and texture. Onion pakora. Indian fritters made with onion, chickpea flour, and spices. Vietnamese pho. This noodle soup often includes onions as a key ingredient. Middle Eastern flavors. Onion bhaji. Indian fritters made with onion, gram flour, and spices. Hummus, a popular Middle Eastern dip made with chickpeas, tahini, and other ingredients, often including onions. Baba ganoush, a Middle Eastern eggplant dip that often includes onions. Onion salads. Classic onion salad, a simple yet delicious combination of sliced onions, vinegar, oil, and seasonings. Grilled onion salad adds a smoky flavor by grilling the onions before mixing with other ingredients. Onion and tomato salad, a classic pairing that combines the sweetness of tomatoes with the tang of onions. Caramelized onion salad, a more indulgent option featuring caramelized onions, goat cheese, walnuts, and balsamic glaze. Potential risks associated with onions. While onions are generally safe to consume, there are a few potential risks to be aware of. 1. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to onions, leading to symptoms like hives, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Prevention. If you experience any allergic symptoms after consuming onions, consult a healthcare professional. 2. Digestive issues. A gastrointestinal upset. Excessive onion consumption can sometimes cause digestive issues like heartburn, gas, or bloating. Moderation. Enjoy onions in moderation to avoid these problems. 3. Blood thinners. Interaction. Onions contain compounds that can interact with blood thinners. If you're taking blood thinners, it's advisable to consult with your doctor before consuming onions in large quantities. 4. Sulfur compounds. Odor and irritation. The sulfur compounds in onions can cause strong odors and irritate the eyes and nose. Prevention. When cutting onions, wear gloves and avoid rubbing your eyes. Overall, onions are a nutritious and versatile food when consumed in moderation. By being aware of these potential risks and taking necessary precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of onions without any negative consequences. Thanks for watching.